Hey everybody, just want to give you an update on the Trucker John show. There's not going to be any regular video today on Tuesday the 14th or on Wednesday the 15th. There was no video for Monday either because I released Sundays for Monday. But anyway, the reason why that happened was I dropped my external hard drive last week and it stopped working. And I had all my video clips for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday on that external hard drive. So I wasn't able to put anything together, and there's not really anything I can do about it. So I apologize. Regular videos will resume again on Thursday, the 16th of May. So I hope you can come back and see me Thursday. And I do appreciate everybody that views this channel. Thanks again. Take care.